A suffix is a group of letters that are added to the end of a root word. The meaning of the suffix able or ible shows something can be done. Let's look at the root word break. Please don't break the plate. Now let's add the suffix able. Breakable. The plate is breakable. The plate is able to break. Change. Add the suffix able. Changeable. The weather is changeable. The weather is able to change. But how do we know if we should use able or ible at the end of the word? There is an easy way of working this out by taking away the ending and seeing if you have a root word. Let's look at the word noticeable. If we remove the able, we are left with the word notice, which is a word on its own. So adding able is the correct spelling. Now let's take possible. If we remove the ible, we're left with the word pos. Pos is not a real word on its own, so adding ible is the correct spelling. Remember the rhyme, using an I is a lie. Most words would have the able ending, but there can be changes to the root word depending on what the root word ends with. If the root word ends with E, we remove the E before adding able. Value. Remove the E and add able. Valuable. Advise. Remove the E and add able. Advisable. The only time you don't remove the E is if the root word ends with CE or GE. Notice. The word ends with a CE, so we just add able. Noticeable. Change. The word ends with GE, so we just add able. Changeable. Adding ably and ibly is a lot like adding able and ible. Consider becomes considerable or considerably. Horrible or horribly. This is spelt with the I version because if we take away the endings, hor is not a word.